Hi, you're watching ModShapes, and I'm Alex Steele. And today I'm going to show you a few photos and the final stage of the building of a tabletop that I created. I did not go into this with a solid plan, so I took a piece of wood and cut it down on a chop saw and glued it together to make this frame. And there's imperfections in this frame because the chop saw that I'm cutting with wasn't perfectly square. It's a little bit older, and I'm probably also a little bit of user error. But I was able to arrange the elements inside this little frame like I liked, and I embedded certain objects in here, and I added resin. And now early on, the outside of this frame had the different colors of the rainbow, which I really liked. But later on in the process, I changed that to black because I bought table legs that I thought would look better with a black frame. In addition to that, I was experimenting with a little bit of acrylic paint because I thought some acrylic paint would add a more organic feel, and some of the imperfections in the wood and the original design would disappear. I used a pint. Then I went back in and I did another type of resin to fill in some gaps. And currently I'm waiting on those to dry, and I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of more resin pours for the top. When I'm finished, the top should be more level. I might have to put some shims underneath it when I do the last pour, because I think that, even with the paint evening out, there still could be a little bit of imperfections. All things considered, I feel like this was a pretty successful project for me, despite the fact that I have some imperfections due to the fact that I'm not that great with a chop saw. But for the first attempt at a tabletop, this isn't so bad. I learned a tremendous amount how much resin it's really going to take to do my tabletops, how much time it takes, and which resins I should use. By the way, for this particular project, I went with mostly Fama wood, and I found that worked amazingly. And I probably used almost a full gallon of Fama wood resin to do this tabletop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Remember to share and subscribe if you did. Please put a comment down below if you have any questions or would like to know anything more about what I did in this process. And I will see you on the next one.